This is the Texas Kids Try Nature Hike Part 2. And we'll if you've seen the Part 1, comment down below and leave a like, and yeah. So Mia's running around. If you know her, hit the like and subscribe. So, and you need to hit the bell.
You need to go over and do the algae demonstration before sun goes down. We're losing light.
Wait, I'm gonna go over there first.
Something keeps jumping into the water. You're missing it.
That's oh, I see a tadpole. Come here.
Where?
Where's the tadpole?
I don't know.
There's a lot of tadpoles over there. This is like, wait, let's go over there. Also, Paul, can I tell you something? This is algae. This is algae.
Show me.
What's
What's good about algae? Tell me one more time.
you can feed it to your tadpoles. Yes, and it will go in the sun, and yeah.
Why does it grow in the sun?
Because it's healthy. I don't know why. Because we're just kids. We don't know everything. That's our bridge. We worked on it a day ago. I want to go on to the book.
Avia, what do you think?
Wait,
Okay.
I'm not wet.
How about you go on the other side and talk?
Mama, come on, let's go on the other side. It's kind of like little. Mia, why? Why?
Hi. Go play. All right, is the video all done now?
No. We might do a part 3 on the house. We catch a lot of tadpoles. Like 10. We have 10 right now. Yeah. We have a cow thing. Wait, where's the tadpole? We got a lot.
What you working on, Heidi?
He always is weird. Wait. Have you seen any over here?
Nope.
I'm searching. I didn't. Wait, where is. Oh, I see some shrimp right there. I see some shrimp. Can I see? I see one big shrimp.
He's trying to breathe the water.
Yeah.
Avia, tell me about your boots.
The waterproof. The waterproof. I'm gonna find Mia. It's a boat. Oh, there's a lot of algae over here. Wait, come here, guys. Oh yeah, there is a lot of algae. That's disgusting.
Let me see it.
Look at the algae.
Wow. Why do tadpoles like to eat that so much?
It's yummy to them. No animals. And then only food eaten. I found a tadpole right there. Mama, look.
Oh, there it is. Can you catch it in your hands? Cup it, make a cup. There you go.
We
You got it. You got it. Avia, you're about to get water in your boots.
You don't need any of that. Wait,
Just keep looking.
I just missed it. I'm gonna get some algae. That's a lot of algae. What the heck? Man, what the heck are you? Oh, damn. Dang it. Where is all the algae? Wait. Hey.
Detroit. Stop it.
Do you want to see how dirty my hands are?
Sickening.
I can snap. Oh.
All right, we're going to sign off now.
No!
We're going to sign off.